Why you people are behaving with me like this? You cannot digest the defeat. That's why from day one, you started this type of actioning. Every time you are going for confrontation, what happened when I went to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's program? What happened? You people have noted everything. I don't have anything to say. You have seen everywhere. That meeting also for COVID meeting. You called us. You didn't allow us to speak. Now you tell me, every time we are cooperating you, but you people are not cooperating us. Instead of cooperation, now when I was in Digha and we are busy our meeting with Digha regarding devastation and cyclone affected area, then suddenly it's very shocking to receive a letter from the Government of India in the evening regarding requisitioning of services of the Chief Secretary West Bengal by the Government of India. It must be clear that the interest of Bengal I can go to any extent. That is why I had visited Kalaikunda by readjusting my programs. I will do all these things in future also for the sake of Bengal. However, it must be kept in mind that the head of the elected government should get its due recognition and honor. We must get our respect and our honor. What was the fault of Chief Secretary? He was working with me. That obvious. Chief Secretary is a state government officer. Maybe they are central pools, from central pools they come. But you know, after Sarkaria Commission and other commission, that they are the state government officers. They work for the state government fully. Now head of the state administration, now Chief Secretary, you gave notice without any consultation that we want requisition in Delhi. He should have joined. Retiring day is 31st. Do you have any courtesy? Yes, 3 months he has got extension. That also, I gave my letter. You see, this is my letter, 10th of May. That because of COVID situation and because of this Yas and cyclone, to give more attention for the devastation, for reconstruction, for relief work, to help the COVID people, to fight the pandemic, we want that old secretary, he should get 3 months extension. And it is already, the system is there. Only cabinet secretary give this permission. If I ask 6 months, then it go to Prime Minister. They are kind enough, they have sanctioned this 3 months. They have given the letter dated 24th of May. After 15 days, I have received the reply that is 3 months extension has been granted approval through competent authority. And after that, last day of his not final retirement, he has got 3 months extension to work for COVID, to work for cyclone. Now he was saying that he should come back. Under which rules? You tell me within 74 hours, 4 years. Have you ever seen this type of incident? You are not only disturbing me, you are disturbing my secretariat. You are disturbing my chief secretary. Don't you think there are so many chief secretaries in so many states? One humiliation, you can humiliate my chief secretary, but all the chief secretaries are being humiliated. Don't you think IAS, they have the lobby also? IPS, they have the lobby also? They are very much shocked. They are very much shocked for this unconstitutional, illegal, without consultation, the one-sided to humiliate the chief secretary, to humiliate the chief minister, to humiliate my government. What happened to Bengal? Why? Why you are behaving like this? We have got landslide victory. That is only your worry. You have tried your best. What not you done at the time of election? But instead of all this, it is the blessings, it is the dua, it is the support of my young brothers, senior men, middle class men, the women voters, all my farmers, my industrial workers, the Bengal peoples, they voted us. And they ousted you. Please accept the mandate of the people. Why you are quarreling with us every day? What do you think? That you want to bulldoze the federal structure fully? Don't you think that it is good, it's fair enough? Every time if you bulldoze the state federal structure, yes, some place you have the government, but some place the opposition government is there. But for West Bengal there is a separate rule, martial law. Another place there is a different rule of law. Why? Every time you are blaming state government, that government is working hard every time.